Hello, David here, and the project for today is determining how hard it is to clean carbon off a Cerakote. I just Cerakoted this Ruger Speed 6 2 days ago, and I did Cerakote the front of the cylinders. I want to see what it's going to take to clean the carbon off, because I know that carbon is hard to get off. Here's some clean bore, Formula 3 gun conditioner, not getting the job done. Let's try some hoppies. I don't know, what is it, number 8 or number 9? Hey, these bottles from your ophthalmologist for cleaning your glasses are great for gun cleaning solution. This isn't doing too well either. Microscopically, Cerakote is not a smooth finish. It's a very rough finish. After all, you do have to sandblast it with 100 grit media before you apply the Cerakote. Try some acetone. I wonder if it's going to remove the Cerakote. That would be a bummer. No, the Cerakote's not taking off the carbon. That's how I knew this gun was unfired when I got it. There was no carbon on it. And anyone who would leave this in the water for so long wouldn't clean their gun after they shot it. Oh well, that answers my question anyway. P.S. I have a question. Could it be that the Cerakote got burned away from firing the rounds? I only fired 12 rounds through this, but it looks like it might even be bare steel. Just not sure. Especially that one looks like it's more shiny, like it's bare steel. So I'm not sure if that's Cerakote that's got carbon on it, or if the Cerakote got burned away. Interesting. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.